I love these delicious gooey brownies. They're so quick and easy to make, and I'm sure you'll love them too. Start by gently melting 125 grams of butter. Once the butter's melted, add about 1 tablespoon of oil to keep the brownies moist. I like using coconut oil for its delicious taste. I think it adds a really nice flavour into the brownies. Once the fats are combined, pour 1 cup of caster sugar into a medium-large bowl. Then pour over your butter and coconut oil mixture and make sure to whisk for about 30 seconds until it's nicely combined and the sugar's melted. The mixture should be a light yellow colour. Add 2 eggs, one at a time, mixing between each addition, and then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix again for 30 seconds, and then it's time to move on to the dry ingredients. Add half a cup of plain flour, half a cup of cocoa powder, and half a teaspoon of salt on top of the butter and sugar mixture. Gently fold the ingredients into the wet until they're almost combined. Now this is when I like to add about 1/4 cup of chopped hazelnuts, or any nut of your choice, and 1/4 cup of chopped dark chocolate. Although these additions are optional, I find the nuts add such delicious texture and flavour to the brownies. Now fold the mixture until it's just combined and then pour over an oiled baking tray. I'm using a 20cm or 8-inch baking tray with a removable bottom. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius, 340 degrees Fahrenheit, until a toothpick comes out clean. Allow to cool, and then slice them to your desired size. I love the gooey melted chocolate oozing out of each of these slices. Hope you give this recipe a go. Enjoy.